Hello everyone, here's a quick video on how to find all the Excel documents on your computer. Whether you have Windows 10 or Windows 11, this is Windows 11, so it's going to be a little bit different if you have Windows 10, but you're going to click on your Start button. You're going to scroll through here. At the top, usually you have a File Explorer. I also have it down here. You're going to click on this File Explorer right here. It'll open up this window. And you're going to go click on this PC right here, and you should see your C drive there. Click on that, and it'll say search. You have a little search up at the top here. You're going to type star.xls. That's the file extension for Excel, and you can hit enter. You can see it's already working on it. I don't believe this computer has any Excel documents on it, but if you did, you'd see them on here. Well, it does have one, so you'll see a list of them. You can click on them and go by one on there. And that's it. Thanks.